Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own NPC in Roblox. This video will be one part of a multi-part series where I cover all the mechanics you will need to have a complicated NPC. Today, we will be covering basic strafing mechanics. Let's get into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is go into the game so we can get our humanoid and animation script. Now the reason we need to do this is the default humanoid that comes with most character models is not capable of movement nor animations. So we're going to copy both of these, like so, and then go back into Studio. Now we're going to delete this humanoid and paste a new one in. Now that we've done this, we can turn this animation script into a normal one. I'm just going to use class converter, but you can do this however you would like. And we can also select the whole character and turn anchored off. I'm going to turn can collide off, but this is up to you whether you want people to be able to bump into your NPC or just walk through it. Now, we can get into the scripting portion of this video. The first thing we're going to do is add a script, and I'm going to call this strafing. I have probably horribly misspelled that, but I do not mind. Now, we're going to define the character. So, local character equals script.parent. Next, we need to define the humanoid. So, local humanoid equals character wait for child humanoid. Finally, we need to define the humanoid root part. So, local root part equals character wait for child humanoid root part. And I'm actually going to change how I formatted this name. I prefer to do it like this, but you may do that however you would like. Next, I'm going to create a loop. So we want this to always run, so we're going to create a while true do loop. Next, we're going to define two variables. One is going to be x position, so local x pause, and the next one is going to be the z position, so local z pause. Now that we've done this, we need to define what these numbers will actually be. So we're going to type math.random root part dot position dot x minus 10, and then we're going to copy this and paste it, but change this to a plus 10. Next, we're going to copy this whole statement right here, and we're going to do the same thing, but the z-axis. So replace .x with .z in both sides. Now that we've done this, we are going to make the humanoid move. So, humanoid move to. Now before we do this, we also need to define a vector 3 position. So, above this, we're going to do local pause equals vector 3 dot new x pause root part dot position dot y and z pause. Now that we've done that, we can just say move to pause. Next, we're just going to insert a timer, so I want it to move every 5 seconds, and after that, we can just go into the game and try it out. Now, as we can see, every 5 seconds, the character will strafe to a new position, like so. Thank you guys for watching this part of the video. If you want to see the part 2 of this series, make sure to comment down below and subscribe to make sure you do not miss out on it. See you in the next video.